This phantom wallet did not come from trading. It grew from launching the right meme coins at the right time. If you want the blueprint step by step, keep watching. Now, I used to be a fucking crypto guru, okay? I was the best at this shit. I was trenching 24/7, okay? Buying, selling coins, trading every single minute. But something really bad happened, okay? I bought inside a meme coin and guess what happened? I lost all my money, all because of these stupid rug pulls. Basically, I would buy in, wait, and then boom, the dev would dump on my head and I became exit liquidity. And that's when I realized the truth. The winners are not buyers, okay? They're the creators. Okay, launching gives you full control over everything because you own the chart, you own the supply, and you own the narrative. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that launching and deving coins will make you way more money than trading them. Okay, because creating coins is completely free, you cannot lose anything. But if you keep trading, you're risking money, okay, and then you could potentially lose everything. That's why I stopped trading, and you need to start deving, okay? I will do a live example into this video. I will launch a coin and potentially turn $0 into like 1k, 2k, 3k. Keep watching, bro. It is gonna be generational. And by the way, bro, this content is for educational only. I am not a financial advisor, so just understand the system before using it. Now, 2 months ago, bro, when I first started deving meme coins, I used to make my coins on Pump.Fun. But that's a mistake because Pump.Fun nowadays is way too saturated. Your coin disappears in the noise and won't get any traction simply because there's too many coins and not enough traders, right? And that's exactly why you have to stick out and stop fucking launching on this launch pad, okay? Now, the whole point of launching meme coins is for it to migrate onto the Raydium DEX, which it has to reach the $85,000 market cap on Pump.Fun. So to avoid that, bro, I use create coins.io. It's the best launchpad in 2025 if you want to make some money. Now your token jumps straight onto the Raydium DEX. It will be immediately migrated and you will get fucking instant visibility and it will be immediately tradable to every single trader, okay? You'll get way more eyes, way more volume, and more profit potential. Super straightforward, bro. You guys will see. Now, here's how to make a meme coin on this launchpad on createcoins.io, and it's super easy, okay? You guys will see. Now, first, you need to find a good narrative for your meme coin. Now, go on X and look for something trending, like some political joke, a statement, something viral, a meme, a joke, anything, bro, okay? Just look for something trending. Now, even though the coin doesn't make that much, you can just restart and rinse and repeat. Anyways, let's look for something trending like this, okay? That's kind of like funny, I don't know, bro. You know, once you have a good narrative, come back to createcoins.io, invent a name, add a symbol, and add a quick image, and just like that, your custom coin is created. But the second way to make a meme coin is the fastest way to see real volume and see real profits, and that's by copying trending coins over and over again. Now, these coins already have hype, okay, so copying them sends instant buyers and early profits because people are already searching for these coins. I love copying coins and I personally make all my money just from copying coins on createcoins.io. It's the most gate-kept method in 2025. Alright, let's launch a coin right now. Watch how fast this goes live and we will see how much we make by the end of the video. So first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected. Then obviously, bro, we're going to be copying a coin, so click on the refresh this button and let's look for a coin to copy. In general, all of these coins will work, but I will copy the, I'm going to copy the Doge coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago, which is not bad. Click on create coin, ignore the block, do proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds, bro. Let's fucking go. Boom, it's copied, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now this part's simple. We're adding liquidity so your token instantly appears on Raydium, right? This page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to create and hold for yourself, right? Now for the amount token A, it's really important. Just click on 90%, which will drop around 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. You are basically keeping 10% of a billion coins in your wallet, so you are So you are 10%. So your wallet will hold 10% of the supply, right? And you're making money off of that and off of the creator fees. Now, right under for the amount token B, this is your first buy. You are not losing SOL. It is just locked for the pool. The minimum is 0.3 Solana, and it comes back when you remove the liquidity later. Now, I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more than the minimum, just to be safe. And once again, you are going to get this back later. Click on create pool, and then obviously make sure to ignore the block, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And boom, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button, scroll down, and boom, the Dogecoin is now live. Our profits are right here. And if you click on the refresh button to check your official profits, because people are not going to buy the coin, now we're up 140 fucking bucks in USD. Now click on your preferred trading platform. I'm going to go on Photon and look at the chart pump. Let me go on full screen. Okay, it's fucking live. We're already up a couple $100. Oh my god, the coin is pumping. Let's dump this coin, bro. Come on. It's pumping already. 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. This is why you have to be deving coins and launching them for yourself. Because we literally got instant results right here, bro. Like, what the fuck? These are all random people who are looking at the coin and buying it, okay? All because we launched it on createcoins.io. Come on, pump, bro, pump. 1.5k market cap. The liquidity is good. The volume is good. We're getting transactions every single second, bro. Everything looks good. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back. Okay guys, I am back and we are at a 5.3k market cap and 2k in liquidity. Everything looks motherfucking good. Now, if you want to make some quick money, bro, come back to createcoins.io and then obviously, bro, make sure to click on the refresh button. And now, as you guys can see, we are up $1.6 thousand in profits. Now, obviously, bro, I am not excited because I'm used to it, but click on the minimize button, do 100% and remove the money. And then ignore the block, proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And ta-ching! Bang! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some money. And obviously, bro, I am going to show proof. As you guys can see, I just received $1.6 thousand. Everything is fucking legit. We just received the money. Let's fucking go. It's all legit. Now, if you have any questions about the method, bro, because it actually works, DM me on X at jpergrad. I respond to everybody in my DMs. And yeah, bro, peace out.